Okay, this is the state machine for lab 4. It's got two inputs, motion and the button, and two outputs, the light and the signal light. It has 5 states. The first one is the default one where it starts with, where it's off, and if there's a button or a motion press, it transitions to this transitional state where the light turns on until it doesn't sense motion or a button press anymore when it gets into this on state. And then it uses this I counter to increment the state every second until it hits 20, in which it goes back to the BL off motion active. And if it's in this on state and it does detect motion, the counter is reset every time. And then if it's in this on state and a button is pressed, then it transitions, waiting for the button to be released, to this motion inactive state, where it sits here waiting, ticking every second until 10 seconds is reached, where it goes back to the off motion active. And then if the button is pressed, then it transitions back into the on state. So the code is implemented below, and it uses a tick period of 100 milliseconds. That should be enough to catch any button press or motion. And then the on counter, which is how much it counts, is calculated using the tick period, in this case 200. The lab was pretty simple. The hard part was getting this state machine to work. It took a couple of iterations to get to this point. But after that, writing the code for it was pretty simple. So yeah, the lab overall was pretty simple.